In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove reflections in Photoshop with one click. This technique is incredibly useful for photographers and designers who often deal with distracting reflections in their images. So let's dive into the world of Adobe Photoshop and see how we can make those pesky reflections disappear seamlessly. First, you'll want to open Adobe Photoshop. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the Adobe website and download the latest version. Once you have Photoshop up and running, it's time to add your image. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping your image into the Photoshop interface, or by selecting File from the menu, then Open, and choosing your image from your file directory. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for everything we're going to do next. With your image open in Photoshop, the next step is to carefully select the reflection you want to remove. For this, Photoshop selection tools will be your best friends. Tools like the Lasso tool, Marquee tool, or Quick Selection tool are particularly handy. Take your time to make an accurate selection as this determines the preciseness of the reflection removal. Remember, the more precise your selection, the better the results will be. After you've made a precise selection of the reflection area, the next part is as simple as pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. But before you do that, here's a quick tip. Make sure you've selected the layer your image is on. Otherwise, you won't be able to delete anything. This is a common mistake, so it's always good to double check. Once you've got the right layer selected, go ahead and hit delete. Now, depending on the complexity of your image, you might notice some remnants or rough edges where the reflection used to be. This is perfectly normal and can be easily cleaned up using the clone stamp tool or the healing brush. These tools help blend the surrounding pixels into the area you've just deleted, giving it a more natural look. Just remember to zoom in and take a little time to refine the edges for a flawless finish. And there you have it, an easy way to remove reflections in Photoshop with just a few simple clicks. This method will save you a ton of time and help you produce cleaner, more professional looking images. Try it out on your photos and see the difference it makes. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy Photoshop tutorials. Happy editing.